Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting the biggest culprits. Open settings and enable screen time or app limits for the top 3 apps. Set a firm daily cap. Once done, remove access shortcuts, delete icons from the home screen or place apps in a folder off the first page. Also, set a short timer on your phone for the first trigger session. This first set of actions creates friction and immediate limits so you can change the habit before it spirals. Once limits are active, you need practical interruptions. When you notice scrolling, use a 1-minute rule. Stop after 60 seconds and perform a preset replacement behavior like a 2-minute walk or reading 5 pages. Make the alternative easy and rewarding, so you'll choose it. Meanwhile, enable grayscale or strict website blockers during focus windows to reduce visual pull. If temptation wins, log the trigger, time, mood, and context, so you refine which replacements work and when stricter blocks are required. To finish, you set a weekly review to adjust limits and swap out ineffective replacements. Celebrate small wins and gradually tighten caps as control improves. If you relapse, add accountability, pair with a friend or schedule daily check-ins, and consider a short uninstall or password change for 48 hours to break momentum. If blockers fail, inspect triggers logged earlier and address the root cause: boredom, anxiety, or habit loops. Make sure to iterate. Sustainable change comes from consistent, small tweaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.